Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install these front speakers on an 82 to 92 Camaro. Just a little side note, these will also fit a 3rd gen Firebird. The install is just a little bit different, so today we are showing it on a Camaro. To start with, you're going to remove your dash pad, not your actual dash. Removing the pad is actually much easier than removing your entire dash. Here we are showing all the screws that you want to remove on the top of the dash pad near the windshield. You also want to remove these screws that are along the bottom of the dash pad. We are first removing the screws on the top. Pro tip, put something down in your defrost vent, like a paper towel, or tape it off. That way, if you drop a screw, it won't just be gone into the abyss. Once you get all the screws on the top near the windshield removed, you want to be sure to remove the screws on the lower part of the dash pad. Here we are starting on the driver's side. There are screws on the far left side, kind of above your steering wheel, and then towards the middle of the car. Do the same thing on the passenger side. Once you're sure you've removed all the screws, carefully remove the dash pad. This is what it looks like once your dash pad is removed. Now you want to remove the old speakers and speaker adapter. And then just unhook the old speakers. And then do the other side. Same thing, lift up the old speaker and disconnect it. Once you have removed the dash pad and the old speakers, this is what it will look like. And now you are ready to install your new speakers. When you order the front speakers, you have the option to add the adapters. If you don't currently have the adapters, you will need them for this install. These speakers with the adapter plates fit with no modifications or issues. When you order these front speakers, they come with new hardware to mount onto your adapter. That is what Bryce is showing you here. Now they are ready to be installed. Place the speaker in the front dash opening and connect it. Line it up with the holes. And install your screws. Do the same thing on the other side. Connect your new speaker. Once you have it connected, place it in the front dash opening. Line up the adapter with the holes and install your screws. And we are almost done. Once you have your new speakers hooked up and the adapters and speakers installed, this is what it will look like. Now we are just putting the dash pad back on. Carefully line it up and put it back in place. And then reinstall your screws. Here we are starting on the lower part of the dash pad on the driver's side, and then the lower screw towards the middle, and the lower screws on the passenger side. Whoopsie, don't forget the one above your steering wheel. Reinstall your screws on the top of your dash pad. And that's it, you're all done. Your front speakers are installed. Don't forget to remove your paper or tape out of the defrost vent, and you're good as new. All right, y'all, that is it for today. Like I said, this is a pretty simple install. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below, and y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.